dealing with either addition or subtraction. And a few things I want to say is, as we go farther and farther into our unit, yes, we're practicing our addition subtraction skills, but those skills have to be able to be applied in context. And so as far as assessments or, really looking far ahead with like a state assessment, there's not very many just your numbers problems. You're really looking at word problems, breaking them down, identifying keywords that would help you in a question. So I want to just kind of walk you through a problem today, point out some of those keywords, and you're probably going to realize that this is almost not as much about math as it is reading. And as we look at how students are performing, a lot of it comes down to, are they slowing themselves down, drawing out problems if they need to, or looking for those keywords. So our problem today says, Mia bought a sketchbook with 125 blank pages in it. She tears out 7 blank pages for her friend to draw on. Mia draws pictures on 64 pages. How many blank pages does she have left? And first thing as a teacher that I notice is that there's no easy keywords that they gave you in this problem. It doesn't say, oh, she added or altogether, or there's nothing to tell you that you are adding and subtracting unless you know what these words mean. So we have what she starts with, 125 blank pages, and she tears out, which means, in this case, I'm going to put a subtraction sign above it because we're going to be subtracting. And then if she draws on pictures, which this is a really hard one, if she draws on 64 pages, those are being used up, which means she doesn't have those pages anymore, so she's also subtracting. And then it's asking you how many does she have left, and that left just means that, it's a reminder that we should have subtracted earlier. So we start with 125 pages, and she tears out 7. Well, make sure we line up by place value. 5 minus 7 does not work, so I need to regroup. And I have 118 left as of now. But then she draws on 64 pages here. And so we talked about how that actually means she's using them, so subtraction. 8 minus 4 is 4. Cannot subtract 1 minus 6, so we need to regroup. And that leaves us with 54. So to answer our how many does she have left, well, she has 54 pages. And again, this is a 2-step problem, not very clear words, and so really talking out problems, explaining them, walking them through, like picture this in your head, think of it like a story, is very helpful when we're looking at word problems as we continue through our units, and also in all future units.